Photoshop introduction class. First you open your Photoshop. That time here it is showing file, edit, image, layer, type, select, filter, 3D, view, windows, help. This is called a menu bar. First you can go to the file and select new. When I can click a new, that time one pop-up window is appears. In that window, photo, print, art and illustration, web, mobile, film and video. This all options it is showing. First option is the photo. Suppose you can go to the photo studio. That time what happened, that people is asking some dimension, different types of dimension. That is like default photo size and landscape 2 by 3, 4 by 6, 5 by 7, 8 by 10, and portrait like 2 by 3, 4 by 6, 5 by 7 and 8 by 10. Like this type dimensions they can ask. Yeah. After what is the difference between landscape and portrait? Landscape is width is more, height is less, that is called a landscape. Portrait means width is less, height is more, that is called a portrait. Next, what is the next option? Next option called a print. What is the print? Print is like, suppose you can go to the Xerox center. In the Xerox center you can see which paper they use. They use only A4 or A3. Now you can more than big print you want means that time you can go to the printing shop. That time that people is using A6, A5, B3, B5 like that. That people is the that paper. In this print option, we can see here letter legal tabloid. This is called a US papers, and A4, A5, A6 like A4 to DL it is there, that is called a international papers. Next, what is the next option? Next option is the art and illustration. When I can click art and illustration, you can see what is the art and illustration. You can go to Google, you can download some images is good quality, some images is less quality. What is the reason? The images width and height and the image resolution is different. That is the reason it is showing like that. When I can select a art and illustration here, 1000 by 1000, 2000 by 2000, and 1920, 1080, and 1280, 720. This four called a HD image document sizes. Next, posters, poster size and postcard size. Okay, this is called a art and illustration. Next, what is the next option? Next option is web. We can do in website design in Photoshop. In website lot of types it is there. Suppose you can open your website, you open in mobile or desktop or tablet, but mobile size is different, desktop size is different, and tablet size is different. That time we can use this different dimensions in this web option. Okay, next option is there mobile. In mobile you can, you know that like wallpapers, screensavers, that type of kind of and some god images, that type of uh, wallpapers we can put in mobile. That is the reason we can use this option. Next option is the film and video. We can use the film posters and something we can create means that time we can use this option. Okay, first I can select art and illustration. I can select the 1920 1080. Just click the document size. After that you can create option. Before create option, here it is given the preset details. Preset details, this is the document name. After that the document width and height, it is in pink, it is in pixels means this is called a units. In units, different types of units it is there. One is pixel, inches, centimeters, millimeters, points, picoseconds. Okay, normally we use in pixels. Suppose you want to edit some photos, means that time you can select inches or millimeters or centimeters, that is your choice. Okay, when I can select these pixels, after that here orientation it is there, like portrait and landscape. This is called a portrait, this is called a landscape. Now I can select the landscape. After that here resolution. Normally if you want to print any photo, any image, means that time you can give to 300 resolution. Suppose you can design for website, that time you can give to the resolution is 72. Now here pixels per inch, here it is selecting. In Photoshop, total 5 types of color modes it is there. That is like bitmap, grayscale, RGB, CMYK and lab colors. Okay. Background content. When we can open a new document, that time which color you want in background. That time here three options is there. One is white color background and second is black color background color, or transparency or custom. Like that we can, this is called a preset details of the new document. Now I can create a create click the create button. When I can create a click button, that time this is called a menu bar. Menu bar down it is there, this is called a option bar. Option bar left hand side it is there the toolbar. Toolbar right hand side it is there the layer panel, color palette or something. Yes, hue and saturation or lot of options it is there. Okay, in layer panel and color toolbar, in between one white color area it is there, that is called a artboard. Some people is called artboard, some people call work area. Anytime you can open any document in Photoshop, that time you can go to the layer panel, here lock it is there, just you can double click this lock, that time lock is open. Yes, this is the introduction of the Photoshop.